If Discord is showing error 3004, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get everything working again. This is a common issue that can happen when Discord has trouble with screen sharing, capture settings, or system performance, and the good news is that it's usually fixable in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is update your operating system. On Windows, click the Start menu and open Settings. From there, go to Update and Security, then select Windows Update. Check for any pending updates and install them if available. Sometimes Discord errors happen because your system is missing important updates that affect app compatibility, graphics support, or screen capture performance. Once the updates are installed, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. Next, open Discord and click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. In the menu on the left, scroll down to App Settings and click Voice and Video. This section contains several settings that affect how Discord handles screen sharing and capture. Now scroll down until you find the Screen Share section. Here, look for the option that says Use our advanced technology to capture your screen, or on some versions, use operating system menus to select a screen capture source. If this setting is currently turned on, switch it off. If it's already off, turn it on instead. The goal here is to toggle the capture mode and see which version works best with your system. Discord can sometimes have problems with one capture method while the other works perfectly. After that, we're going to adjust another setting that often causes Discord performance issues. Still inside User Settings, use the search bar or scroll until you find Appearance. Click it, then scroll down to the Advanced section. Here you'll see Hardware Acceleration. Turn Hardware Acceleration off. This setting can improve performance in some cases, but it can also create issues with Discord rendering, screen sharing, or video capture on certain computers. Once you switch it off, click OK to confirm. Discord will automatically restart, and that restart is important because it applies the new setting properly. After Discord reloads, go back and test the feature that was giving you error 3004. If the problem was caused by outdated system files, capture settings, or hardware acceleration conflicts, these steps should help fix it. In many cases, one of these changes is enough to restore normal Discord behavior. If you still run into trouble, double-check that your operating system is fully updated and that Discord has restarted after every setting change. Small configuration issues can make a big difference, especially with screen share and capture-related errors. And if Discord starts working again, you now know exactly what to adjust the next time this happens. That's it for this guide on how to fix Discord error 3004. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.